The Boeing 777-9X is one of the most anticipated commercial aircraft of the modern era, and by the time it enters service around 2026 it is expected to redefine the experience of long-haul flying both for passengers and for airlines. This aircraft is part of the Boeing 777X family, which also includes the slightly smaller 777-8X, but the 9X has attracted the most attention because of its impressive size, range, capacity, and advanced technology. When looking at reviews, specifications, and features, it becomes clear that Boeing has designed the 777-9X to be the ultimate twin-engine wide-body aircraft that will take over many of the routes currently dominated by the iconic 747 as well as the Airbus A380. The most noticeable aspect of the Boeing 777-9X is its size. At around 251 feet in length, it will be the longest commercial passenger aircraft in the world, surpassing even the Airbus A340-600. Despite this length, the aircraft is powered by just two engines, which are the General Electric GE9X turbofans, the largest and most powerful jet engines ever built for a commercial airplane. Each engine has a fan diameter of about 134 inches, which is wider than the fuselage of a Boeing 737. The sheer scale of these engines allows the 777-9X to achieve the thrust needed for its enormous frame while still maintaining fuel efficiency and meeting strict environmental standards. In terms of passenger capacity, the Boeing 777-9X is expected to seat between 384 and 426 passengers in a typical three-class configuration, though airlines can choose to modify the seating layout to accommodate more in a two-class or high-density configuration. This flexibility is one of the selling points of the aircraft because different airlines can tailor it for premium long-haul services or for higher-density regional operations. The cabin interior has been designed to be wider and more comfortable than the previous generation of 777s. Boeing has increased the cabin width slightly, which allows for 10 abreast seating with improved passenger comfort. The windows are larger than those of the original 777 and comparable in size to the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, giving passengers more natural light and better views. The cabin also features a higher ceiling, improved lighting systems with modern LED technology, and larger overhead bins. Range is another strong point for the Boeing 777-9X. It is designed to fly up to 13,500 kilometers, which means it can connect nearly any two major cities on the globe with non-stop service. Airlines that operate ultra-long-haul routes such as those linking Europe to Asia or North America to the Middle East will find the aircraft particularly valuable. The combination of range and efficiency is expected to provide airlines with significant savings over older four-engine aircraft like the 747 and the A380. One of the innovative features of the Boeing 777-9X is its folding wingtips. The aircraft has an immense wingspan of about 235 feet when extended, which improves aerodynamic efficiency and reduces fuel burn. However, such a wingspan would prevent the plane from using many existing airport gates. To solve this problem, Boeing designed folding wingtips that retract while the aircraft is on the ground, reducing the span to about 212 feet and making it compatible with standard airport infrastructure. This feature is the first of its kind on a commercial airliner and has generated a lot of attention from aviation enthusiasts. The reviews from industry experts highlight the balance Boeing has struck between innovation and continuity. The 777-9X draws heavily from the successful 777 platform, which has been one of the most reliable and popular wide-body aircraft families since the 1990s. By retaining the basic fuselage cross-section and proven systems, while introducing advanced engines, new composite materials, and aerodynamic enhancements, Boeing ensures that airlines can trust the 9X to deliver performance and reliability from day one. The fuselage uses lighter and stronger composite materials, particularly in the wings, which have a new carbon fiber reinforced plastic design inspired by the 787 Dreamliner. This contributes to fuel efficiency and reduces maintenance requirements. Passengers who have seen mock-ups or test cabin concepts of the 777-9X often comment on the sense of spaciousness. The combination of higher ceilings, larger windows, and advanced air filtration systems makes the cabin environment more pleasant on long-haul flights. Boeing has also focused on reducing cabin altitude and noise levels, which can help passengers feel less fatigued after long journeys. Airlines are expected to customize the cabin with features such as premium economy sections, high-end business class suites, and even first-class mini cabins depending on their target markets. The versatility of the aircraft allows it to fit both luxury-oriented airlines in the Middle East and Asia as well as cost-sensitive carriers in other parts of the world. The cockpit of the 777-9X features modern avionics and fly-by-wire technology. While it builds upon the familiar 777 flight deck layout which many pilots are already trained on, it also incorporates large touchscreen displays, improved navigation systems, and advanced safety features. This makes the transition easier for pilots who have experience on earlier 777s while still providing the advantages of modern technology. The aircraft is certified for extended twin operations, which means it can safely fly long distances over oceans or remote areas with only 2 engines thanks to rigorous safety and reliability standards. Economics play a huge role in the appeal of the Boeing 777-9X. Airlines are constantly looking for ways to reduce cost per seat mile while still offering a high-quality passenger experience. The GE9X engines are not only powerful but also more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly than previous engines. They are designed to reduce nitrogen oxide emissions, improve noise performance, and meet or exceed future regulatory requirements. Boeing estimates that the 777-9X will be at least 10% more fuel-efficient than competing aircraft in its class. For airlines, this translates into millions of dollars in savings over the lifespan of the aircraft. One of the reasons the Boeing 777-9X has been delayed into 2026 is the extensive testing and certification process. Boeing has conducted multiple flight tests and ground tests to ensure the safety and performance of the aircraft. While the COVID-19 pandemic also played a role in slowing production schedules and airline demand, Boeing has used the extra time to refine the design, improve systems, and make sure that when the aircraft finally enters service it will perform reliably. Some critics have expressed concerns over delays, but most industry analysts agree that safety and reliability should always take precedence over speed to market. As of now, several major airlines have placed orders for the Boeing 777-9X. These include Emirates, Qatar Airways, Lufthansa, Singapore Airlines, and Cathay Pacific among others. Emirates in particular has ordered a large number of 777-9X aircraft since it plans to use them as the backbone of its long-haul fleet as the A380 is phased out. The decision of such prominent carriers to commit to the 9X is a strong vote of confidence in the aircraft. Reviews from airline executives often highlight the balance of capacity, range, and efficiency as the key reasons for their choice. The Boeing 777-9X also has implications for the broader aviation industry. As 4-engine wide bodies become less economical, the 9X represents the future of high-capacity long-haul travel. Its success will likely shape how airlines plan their fleets for the next 2 to 3 decades. The combination of lower fuel burn, reduced emissions, and high passenger capacity also aligns with the industry's growing focus on sustainability. Airlines are under pressure to reduce their carbon footprint, and the 777-9X provides a step in that direction compared to older generation aircraft. From a passenger perspective, reviews of early mock-ups and test flights suggest that comfort will be a major highlight. The cabin's quieter environment, larger windows, and advanced lighting systems contribute to a more enjoyable journey. Boeing has learned from the 787 Dreamliner's passenger-friendly features and applied many of them to the 777-9X on a larger scale. For example, the electronic dimmable windows first seen on the Dreamliner are expected to be included, allowing passengers to control the brightness without physical shades. The air filtration system is designed to provide cleaner air with higher humidity levels, which reduces dryness and discomfort on long flights. The aircraft also offers airlines flexibility in design. Some carriers may choose to include luxurious first-class suites with doors and full beds, while others may focus on premium economy or high-density layouts. The fact that the cabin can accommodate these different approaches means the 777-9X will be used in diverse markets, from ultra-luxury transcontinental services to high-volume regional routes. This adaptability is another reason why so many airlines have shown interest in the aircraft. In terms of cargo capacity, the Boeing 777-9X continues the strong legacy of the 777 family as one of the best belly cargo carriers in the industry. With global e-commerce and air freight demand increasing, this additional revenue source is important for airlines. The aircraft can carry significant amounts of cargo alongside passengers, which makes it even more versatile and profitable. As the aircraft nears its expected entry into service in 2026, the excitement continues to grow. Aviation enthusiasts are eager to see the 777-9X in the fleets of major airlines, and passengers are curious about the comfort it will provide. While delays have been frustrating for some, they have also built anticipation. Boeing has emphasized that the extra testing will ensure the aircraft is ready to meet the demands of the modern aviation market. Looking at the broader picture, the Boeing 777-9X represents more than just a new airplane. It symbolizes the evolution of air travel into a more efficient, sustainable, and passenger-friendly era. The shift away from four-engine giants like the 747 and A380 marks a new chapter where twin-engine wide-bodies can handle long-haul routes more effectively. The 9X is expected to dominate many intercontinental markets for decades, offering airlines the range and efficiency they need and passengers the comfort and features they desire. The aircraft has been praised in many reviews for its balance between tradition and innovation. It retains the proven strengths of the 777 platform, which has been one of the most successful wide-bodies ever built, while incorporating cutting-edge technologies such as the GE9X engines, folding wingtips, and advanced cabin systems. This combination makes it appealing to both conservative airlines that value reliability and innovative airlines that want to offer passengers something new. When the Boeing 777-9X finally enters service, it will likely set new benchmarks in efficiency, passenger comfort, and capability. It is expected to replace older 777-300ERs as well as to fill the gap left by retiring 747s and A380s. Airlines that operate global networks will rely on it as their flagship aircraft, and passengers will become familiar with its unique blend of size and comfort. Over time, as more airlines take delivery, it will become a common sight at major international airports. For aviation watchers, the story of the Boeing 777-9X is not only about specifications but also about the broader changes in the airline industry. It shows how advances in engine technology and aerodynamics allow twin-engine aircraft to perform missions once reserved for larger quad jets. It reflects the growing importance of sustainability and efficiency in modern aviation. And it demonstrates Boeing's determination to continue leading in the wide-body market despite challenges. As reviews and reports continue to emerge leading up to its first commercial flights, expectations remain high. The 777-9X is not just another aircraft, it is a flagship for the future of long-haul travel. Its features, from the massive engines to the folding wingtips and spacious cabins, make it stand out as a technological marvel. By the time it enters service in 2026, passengers and airlines alike will be ready to embrace what promises to be one of the most advanced and impressive commercial airplanes ever built.